Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a layout for the Scrap Room. We are playing with November 2023 Flavors of the Month kit, and this is just one portion of the Flavors of the Month kit, one of the 4 mini collections you essentially get, and everybody's going to get pattern paper cardstock and some embellishments. Today we are playing with Fancy Pants Enchanted Garden. I love this collection. I love it so much I actually bought the whole thing, but then I have all this extra then that I got with my kit. So what we get in this month's portion of this month's kit, I should say, is you're going to get 2 pieces of black cardstock, 2 sheets, and these are the pattern papers. So you're going to get Autumn Diamond. Is this it? Yeah. This gorgeous, like, large floral with this black background. I love it. And this pretty yellow. And Pumpkin Harvest, so a lovely B-side. These lovely squash. Flip that over. And this one is Cozy Plaid. Beautiful plaid. And then the gorgeous giant leaves. These want to be fussy cut, I'm pretty sure. I don't know if I'll do that though. I'm doing the recipe today, so I'm just going to show you all the beautiful papers. I'm not going to show you a process video because that is exclusive for subscribers to the Scrap Room kits only, where when you subscribe, you get for each portion of the Flavors of the Month kit, you get a recipe card to create a layout made by a design team member. And it's a great way to just get a layout made, and you don't have to really think about much because the directions are all there for you. So I'm going to show you what we get for embellishments quick, and then I'm going to go play, and you will get some close-ups. So for embellishments, everyone's going to get a 1/4 pack of the ephemera and some of the foam words, and it's going to vary per kit. So there's a big sheet of foam words. So these are the ones I got. I got Dream, and I think this is Doll. Because D, yeah. I was not sure, but I think it says Dream and then Doll. Like you're a doll. I was not sure, but I think that's what it says. You guys let me know if you think it says something else. And then it looks like a couple leaves, like a flower, and then this is like a plus sign. So I'm not quite sure about that. And then a 1/4 pack of the ephemera. And this is going to vary, and the ephemera from Fancy Pants is always really pretty. So it's lots of florals. Mushrooms, this apple. There. Look at all those gorgeousness. I love it. No squash. No squash ephemera in mine. Okay, so that's all the embellishments. I'm going to get to creating. You'll get to see some close-ups. So stay tuned. And thanks for watching.